Well, hey everyone. For this short little video, I just kind of wanted to do a little bit of a walk tour guided thing of my office and my workspace. I've gotten a lot of questions recently about what my writing style is like and where I work at and what my office is. So I thought I would just do a quick little zoop around the old library slash office so you guys can kind of see what my style is. I've made mention in some of my Instagram posts and other videos that I use a typewriter, which I think is where a lot of the questions came from because typewriters are awesome. So yeah, this is just going to be a quick little loop around the little room of my office, library, writing thingamabob. So yeah, let's start. So my office, as you can see, is not a large space, but it is my space. It has the ever-present cat stuff. But this is my desk. I recently reorganized my desk and moved it. It used to be placed along this wall. And then I moved it because I like to look out the window. The awesome view that it is. But whatever. So this is my setup. This is my very comfy chair covered in tape because cats. But this is what my writing desk looks like usually. I have my little azalea tree growing and my serenity pin and my little decisions. We get the horse and tail. Found that in my grandma's basement. And my little Buddha. I have no idea where he came from. But this is my desk. And then over here I got my good old dictionary from circa, I don't even know when this is. Old as sin, but I got my dictionary and my thesaurus and some journals. Yeah. And then my laptop that is usually Pandora or Facebook, also known as the distraction. And then my typewriter, my glorious silver reed typewriter. She's beautiful, and she's the travel one. I have the little lid. Not that I take her anywhere because I'm afraid I would break her, but I have one. And then my stack of what is book 2 with all of my notes. Trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing with that. Well, that is my writing setup. Over here I've got my corkboard with my map so I stop getting confused about where my people are. It's my little dog, Charlie. He died a long time ago. And my little ferret, I had to put her down because she got cancer. Now I have cats. That is my desk. And then to the left of my desk is the other extremely comfy chair. Charmander hiding behind. Other extremely office chair. Super proud of my office chair. And my library. We are now into the library portion of my room. I continue to reorganize this as life goes on. You can see the dragon themes are everywhere. But if there's an organizational style, I've yet to figure out what it is. I've got favorites here-ish, and then I kind of go into historical classics, non-fiction literature, biopic stuff, and then more random weird things. More plants, because I'm turning my house into a greenhouse. More plants, and then even more random. Oh yeah, these are the books I hide away because most of them is vampire smut. But yeah, more books. I don't even remember. Oh, my ink dip pens. That one is glass. And then I got just a standard, not super exciting. Oh, the tip's missing on that one, but my ink dips. And then more books and random stuff. So that is the tour. All my dragon things. All of the dragon things. Good series. I can't wait for the next season to come out. Patiently waiting. That's the little tour of my random writing space. My office slash library. I keep wanting to call it the library but office is what tends to come out, so it's going to be called the office from now on, I suppose. Yeah, that is my random writing space with my glorious typewriter. I just love it. I love it so much. I actually got that typewriter from the coolest company on the planet, Charlie Foxtrot Company? Charlie Foxtrot Typewriter? Ooh, I'll, once again, I'm not prepared, but I'll figure out what the company's actually called and I'll link it below. Because they have the coolest typewriters, like that's their whole shtick, is getting old typewriters and refurbishing them. There is something to be said for the smell of typewriter ribbon ink. It's like when you walk into a bookstore and you have that smell of books that you're just like, I'm home. That other smell is typewriter ribbon ink. There is something to be said for that smell, and I love it a lot. But yeah, welcome to my office.